Alright, good afternoon. This lesson is for my Integrated 1 class. This is for 21.2. I hope everyone is doing okay out there. This is the second lesson that I'm posting today. And it's also a review lesson, so we're not learning anything new. So it's going to be a very short lesson. So today's goals are to review angle, angle, side. It's a congruence pattern that we're looking for. And I have a couple examples that I drew on the board, and let me just talk about these really quick. So, angle, angle, side, it's a congruence pattern, and if you have this congruence pattern, you get identical triangles. You get identical congruent triangles. You get triangles that are the same. So instead of, again, having to show that all three sides and all three angles are the same, we can actually reach that conclusion with a lesser amount of information. All right. So again, the order of the congruence literally just goes in the order of the letters: an angle, and a side. So an angle, angle, and a side, angle, angle, and a side. I want to point out that the congruent sides, they are in the corresponding positions, meaning that they're in the same positions. They're both next to the angle with the two arc marks. So this would satisfy angle, angle, side. The angle, angle, side could also go in a clockwise direction: angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. In this example, notice please that the congruent sides are next to the angle with the one arc mark. And finally, the last example, this is not angle, angle, side. This is not angle, angle, side. No good. And it's not good because the congruent sides are not next to the same angles, or as we would say, they're not in corresponding positions. So this is not angle, angle, side, and this does not allow us to conclude that we have two congruent triangles. Again, please remember that angle, angle, side works because of angle, side, angle. Remember that the three angles of any triangle add up to 180 degrees. And we can very simply conclude that if these two angles are the same as these two angles, then that must force these angles to be the same. I'm working a little bit backwards on this one. So this is angle, side, angle, and again, we use that fact that the three angles add up to 180 to get this third angle to be the same. So this is really all that you need for the section 21.2. Again, let's make sure we get the homework turned in. I will post the next video in 2 days. Make sure you do the attendance. I'm going to be posting that right now as well. It's due by 9 a.m. tomorrow. Make sure that I can mark you present for today. So, again, everybody have a good day, and I will post the next honors video in 2 days.